Meaning of découpage.
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 Découpage. Découpage is a French term that refers to the art of cutting out shapes or designs from paper or other thin materials to create decorative collages. It involves cutting and layering various pieces of paper and then gluing them onto a surface to create a visually appealing composition. The end result is typically a colorful and intricate artwork that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as home decor, greeting cards, and scrapbooking. Découpage has been around for centuries and continues to be a popular craft today.